Welcome to Sacred Living Secrets, where ancient wisdom meets modern living. I'm Deanne, and today we're revealing sacred rules for bed and furniture placement that can transform your sleep, success, and relationships. These placement secrets come from ancient traditions worldwide and stay until the end. I'll share a powerful furniture arrangement that most experts never discuss. Let's start with the most crucial piece, your bed. Ancient texts are remarkably specific about bed placement. According to the Vastu Shastra, your bed's position can either amplify or block your life force. Feng Shui masters call it the command position, while other traditions name it the power spot. First, let's cover the universal bed placement rules that all traditions agree upon. Bed position fundamentals. Never align with door, must see door while lying down. Avoid under windows. Keep head against solid wall. Equal space on both sides. Distance requirements. Minimum 2 feet from walls. At least 3 feet from door. Clearance for energy flow. Space for peaceful movement. Power positions. Diagonal view of door without direct alignment. Avoid foot of bed pointing to door. Keep bed away from bathroom walls. Never place between window and door. Avoid beams overhead. Now, let's discuss other bedroom furniture placement. Each piece has its own energy and must be positioned correctly. Bedside tables must be paired, represents balance. Same height and style, ideally with rounded corners. Maximum height, level with mattress top. Minimum 18 inches wide for energy stability. Dresses and wardrobes, never opposite bed. Avoid mirrored surfaces facing bed. Keep height below window level. Maintain 3 feet from bed minimum. Position on solid walls only. Seating furniture, small chair. Allowed in reading corner. Never block window or door paths. Avoid facing bed directly. Keep proportional to room size. Position for easy movement. Here's something fascinating about furniture angles. Ancient texts specify that no furniture should create sharp angles pointing at your bed. This creates what's called poison arrows in Feng Shui, or cutting energy in Vaastu. Let's explore storage solutions placement. Traditional texts are very specific about storage. Tall storage on north or south walls only. Keep east wall minimal for morning energy. West wall storage should be below eye level. Under bed space ideally empty. If storage needed, only soft items like bedding. Now for that powerful furniture arrangement, I promise. The sacred triangle setup. First, primary triangle. Bed as the main point. 2 matching bedside tables. Creates stable energy foundation. Must form perfect equilateral triangle. Second, secondary triangle. Dresser as anchor point. Small seating area. Decorative element. Forms supporting energy pattern. Thirdly, combining both triangles. Creates what ancient texts call the prosperity grid. Enhances wealth corner. Supports relationship energy. Maintains peaceful flow. Important measurements from ancient texts. Main walkway. Minimum 3 feet wide. Between furniture, 2 feet clearance. Bed to wall, 24 inches ideal. Door swing, 90 degrees minimum. Window clearance, 30 inches. Special placement. Rules for different room shapes. Square rooms. Center bed on main wall. Equal space distribution. Balanced furniture placement. Rectangular rooms. Bed on longer wall. Furniture along shorter walls. Maintain flow paths. L-shaped rooms. Bed in main rectangle. Auxiliary space for seating, storage. Never in the corner junction. Solutions for challenging spaces. First, sloped ceilings. Place bed on highest wall. Keep storage on low side. Use tall plants to balance energy. Traditional remedy. Hang bamboo flutes at slope. Second, exposed beams. Avoid placing bed under beams. If unavoidable, use red ribbon remedy. Place crystals at beam endpoints. Modern solution? Create false ceiling under beam. Third, small rooms. Use lighter furniture. Choose multifunctional pieces. Maintain minimum spacing. Focus on bed position first. Traditional tip: use mirrors strategically. Fourthly, awkward door positions. Use screens as dividers. Create energy pathways. Redirect flow with furniture. Use rugs to define spaces. Monthly maintenance rules. 1. Rotate mattress with moon phases. 2. Move small furniture slightly during cleaning. 3. Check furniture stability on new moon. 4. Adjust according to seasonal changes. Here's a powerful tip most experts miss. The space between furniture pieces creates energy pathways. These should form natural curves, never sharp angles. Think of energy like water flowing through your room. Implementation strategy. 1. Clear room completely. 2. Mark power positions. 3. Place bed first. 4. Add paired items. 5. Complete with supporting furniture. 6. Test energy flow by walking patterns. Remember, furniture placement affects you even while sleeping. The right arrangement can enhance career success, improve relationships, boost financial prosperity, deepen sleep quality, support overall well-being. Before we end, let me share 3 bonus tips. 1. Always move furniture on auspicious days. 2. Cleanse space before and after moving furniture. 3. Maintain arrangement for minimum 27 days. What's your current bedroom layout? Share in the comments below. I'll help you assess if it's supporting your goals. Next week, we'll reveal powerful bedroom decor elements that amplify these placement benefits. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. This is DN from Sacred Living Secrets, helping you create harmony through ancient wisdom. Transform your space, transform your life, one secret at a time. Check the description for our curated collection of space clearing tools and furniture placement guides that meet traditional standards.